how to get Amazon Prime's student offer. If you want to get the Prime membership while still having a student offer, this is quite valid in some regions only. To try your luck, open your browser and search for Prime student offer. You'll find the first link from Amazon that says Amazon Prime Student. So if I open up this Amazon Prime Student, there are also Prime Young Adults benefits and so on, but if you are a student, you'll basically get this little plan over here. So limited time only, you can see unlimited streaming, and you'll be able to see some of the features like you have a 6-month trial, and then you can enjoy Prime at half the price, and as a member, you'll get access to fast free shipping and Prime Video originals and so on. So now you can go ahead and then see Prime for young adults and so on. And now you can go ahead and then try to subscribe to this using your premium details over here. So you can see Prime shipping, you have got Prime Video, whichever one you want, and then you can choose to subscribe to this as well. And you can see Prime with Grubhub Plus is free with Prime, and you can go ahead and sign in and get all of these benefits after entering your payment methods. For more information, you can just choose to read the FAQ at the bottom of the screen. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.